Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2016 Infiniti Q50 3.0 premium all-wheel drive that we have for sale. We took this one in on trade. In fact, we actually sold this, I think it was about 6 months ago. We sold it as a one-owner off-lease vehicle we acquired from Infiniti Financial Services. We sold it to a young couple. Their lifestyle changed, and more recently they came in looking for a minivan. So they have a growing family, baby on the way. With babies comes pack and play strollers, so they wanted a minivan to get out of this sedan. So they traded this for a Chrysler Pacifica we found for them. So that's how we got this Q50 back. And there's not as many 2016 Q50s available for sale. Most of the ones that we're coming across are off-lease ones, so they're 2017s and newer. The nice thing about the 2016s are a little bit lower price point, so if the 17s and 18 Q50s are a little bit out of reach, this might be the perfect one for you. And it's very nicely equipped with features. We do have a complimentary Carfax report as well. $47,145 original MSRP. This one has a driver's assistance package that was a $2,200 option package, giving you blind spot warning, predictive forward collision warning, forward emergency braking, front and rear parking sensors, a 360-degree around view camera, backup collision intervention with rear cross traffic alert, and rain sensing wipers. Then this also has the Premium Plus package. That was a $1,650 option, giving you navigation, Navi synchronized adaptive shift control. Adaptive shift control momentarily holds the current gear for better acceleration of a corner, turn, or when accelerating up a hill. Heated front seats, heated steering wheel, remote engine start, power tilt telescoping steering column, dual occupant memory seats, auto dimming exterior mirrors, and 60/40 split rear seat. That all comes with the Premium Plus package. And of course, we can print you up a copy or email you one if you want to look it over yourself. We have a moonroof, heated seats, heated steering wheel. You'll know that this has a dual display system. The Q50 is actually one of the first vehicles to have a dual display system of this kind. The top screen is for navigation, parking camera. Notice you have a nice 360 camera, great for low speed, tight maneuvering situations. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. You can make changes to the engine and transmission. You can make changes to the steering. Active trace control will break individual wheels to help the vehicle rotate a little bit better through the corners. You also have a drive mode selector here, which does the same thing as this. You can kind of drill down a little bit deeper on this screen, but if you just want to make quick changes to the feel of the car, you can use this selector here. You also have a button for low speed maneuvering. You can hit this camera button and the 360 camera will pop up. 48,870 miles, about average mileage for 2016. Bose premium studio and wheel sound system. A really nice color combination in black on black. We also just installed 4 brand new tires. Tires aren't cheap on these cars, so that's one maintenance item you won't have to worry about for quite a while. The Q50 is available in either rear-wheel drive or intelligent all-wheel drive. This one features intelligent all-wheel drive, a little bit better for the wet, slippery weather we have here in the Pacific Northwest. Look at that, we have factory all-season mats as well as a factory carpeted mat, still in really nice shape. So intelligent drive will greatly improve your wet weather performance. It'll help your performance driving. In corners, you can kind of get it out of the power a little bit earlier, and that all-wheel drive will help pull you out of the corners. And if you're driving in the snow, you're going to do a lot better with all-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive. And it's intelligent all-wheel drive, so when all-wheel drive is not needed, it's 100% rear-wheel drive, giving you the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car. Also, having that rear-wheel drive bias helps with premature tire wear and improves gas mileage. But this Q50 has a brain, and it can quickly, almost instantly, in a matter of milliseconds, send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. Beautiful looks and lines in the Q50. Infiniti wasn't copying anyone else when they designed the Q50. The styling is distinctly Infiniti. Infiniti's design chief is world-renowned in the design community for being one of the best in the business. So we're graced with beautiful automobiles. The Q50 is also built in Japan, so if you do value your Japanese vehicles to actually being built in Japan, the Q50 is a real deal. And for 2016 is the first year of this brand new engine, this VR30 twin turbo V6, 300 horsepower, direct injection, more fuel efficient and smoother than the 3.7 liter V6 it replaces. Thanks so much for watching this video. Hope to see you soon and have a wonderful day.